Viewers, as Donald Trump sets in motion his plan to weed out illegals, there is one man who could stand in the way. Whether or not this man will do something in America where he lives is yet to be seen, but he is standing like the Great Wall of China, shielding the illegals in India. Viewers, we are talking about Rahul Gandhi's mentor, Sam Pitroda. The same Sam who mocked India's diversity and compared Indians from Northeast with the Chinese. How can we forget that? At a time when there is a global debate on illegals, viewers, Congress veteran Pitroda says that even those who enter India illegally can stay here, even if it means India suffers. He said it. Viewers, this stand directly contradicts the principles enshrined in our constitution that Rahul Gandhi frequently lauds as his political compass. The notion that India should accept illegal migrants at the cost of its own citizens' well-being is not just economically questionable, viewers, but also legally and morally dubious. This stance of Pitroda raises questions about the Congress's commitment to national security and national integrity. The Constitution, viewers, underlines the importance of sovereignty and integrity of India. Advocating for open borders or indiscriminate acceptance of illegal immigrants can be seen as a betrayal of this very principle. Viewers, Rahul Gandhi's narrative of defending the Constitution appears hollow when juxtaposed against Pitroda's comments. If the Congress party genuinely upholds constitutional values or remotely believes in them, then it should not just condemn Sam Pitroda, but also clarify the official stand on illegals.
So, इससे मैसेज ये है कि हम प्लैनेट की चिंता नहीं करते। ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की हमें कुछ नहीं पड़ी है और हमें लोगों की भी कुछ नहीं पड़ी है, क्योंकि हम लगेंगे इमिग्रेशन के पीछे। गरीब हैं ये लोग, भूखे हैं ये लोग, इतना काम करके यहां आते हैं, ऑफकोर्स इलीगली आते हैं, वो भी ठीक नहीं है, हम समझते हैं, लेकिन हम इमिग्रेशन के पीछे लगेंगे। हमारे वहां लग गया कि बांग्लादेशी के पीछे लगेंगे, माइनॉरिटी के पीछे लगेंगे, as opposed to saying we will include everybody. If we have to suffer a little bit, it's okay. We will suffer a little bit. We will share. But nobody wants to share. They want to keep their pie bigger and bigger.
Let's open this up. Without wasting time, Lokesh Jindal, answer this simple question. You have a problem with the CAA. The law has been passed by the parliament. Usse dikkat hai. But Mr. Pitroda is endorsing, unlimited and unhindered stay of illegals.
Pradesh, what Mr. Pitroda stated reflects humanitarian ethos. Mr. Trump, he has given a clamor that he would be evicting anybody whom he suspects to be illegal migrant or resident in America. He wants to get out of WTO. He doesn't want to fund the
humanitarian
WHO.
ethos.
Pradesh, please don't interject. Let me complete. Just 30 seconds. So he says that he doesn't want to contribute in the climate change for UNFCCC. He doesn't agree with the global effort towards a better humane conditions for everybody. Now, Pradesh, there was Michael Jackson's song, "Heal the World, Make It a Better Place for You and for me and the entire human race." The point is, this excess state nationalism, jingoism has been the cause for 2 world wars. Are we going to defend this again?
Nationalism, jingoism. 1 minute. कहाँ जा रहे हैं सर आप? Were you at the Coldplay concert? Michael Jackson का क्या मतलब है इसमें? You should read about B.R. Ambedkar. Michael Jackson इसमें कहाँ से आ गया? और humanitarian ethos. 1 minute. When a thief enters your house, उसको what will you give him? A glass of water and some food to eat. Humanitarian ethos. Not call the cops. Lokesh Jindal, please. Sir, people can see through. Kabhi to stand lijiye. Sir, you can't defend the indefensible. What are you even trying to do?
If a beggar comes to my home, I will definitely be treating him well. I will not be a victim. I will not be mistreating it.
Let's have
That's
open
what
borders
the
then.
Indian ethos
Let's put
are.
it in the Congress's manifesto. बता दीजिए, let
No,
Priyanka
that
Gandhi
should
carry
be-
a bag. No, 1 minute.
We have to
Next
have-
bag, the third bag that Priyanka Gandhi Vadra should carry should have open borders. उसमें वो लिख दीजिएगा, open borders. जो नया टोट बैग है. रवि श्रीवास्तव, अब सर इसमें भी बताइए अब आप.
First of all, Pranesh, whatever Sam Petroda has said in past, the Congress has acted upon that. So let us not repeat that again and again. Now here, there are very few people who will be opposing Trump. It does not mean that the Trump is, he has won with that 100% majority. He has won with a slight slender majority. So his views are absolutely perfect, or whatever he is saying, everybody has to abide by that, is totally unfair. He has pulled out of WHO. He is pulling out of all these immigration issues. He has taken many decisions which are totally against the climate change, the electric vehicles he is going to take. He is going to increase the energy production, that oil production,
सर
etc.
आप
etc.
गलत समझ रहे फिर रवि श्रीवास्तव. वो जो शुरू में मैंने बोला डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को कोई एक आदमी रोक सकता है, वो सरकाज़म था सर. उसका ट्रंप से कोई मतलब नहीं है. We have our own constitution. We have our own, reasoning and everything else. How can we endorse stay of illegals? और वो बोल रहे हैं even if India suffers. तारिक भाई, अब आप बोलिए, घड़ी में देखिए, ये क्वेश्चन डालिए और बोलिए एलेक्सा या सीरी जो भी है, गिव एन आंसर. देखिए आपके स्मार्ट वॉच में क्या आंसर आएगा.
नहीं देखिए, स्मार्ट वॉच से आंसर नहीं देना, मुझे देना. देखिए, I think near about 50 lakhs Indian people living in United States of America, so we should stand with them. हमें उनके साथ खड़ा होना चाहिए, all type of support, and question should be asked that in the front line, Foreign Minister of India was sitting there, and after that meeting, what he has done means you are asking irresponsible person the responsible question. We are not responsible to coordinate with US government or
This is not about the US, for God's sake. तारिक खान, रवि श्रीवास्तव, ये ट्रंप का मैंने ऐसे ही शुरू में ये एग्जाम, मैं सरकाज़म था सर, प्लीज. अरे ये तो आप लोग कुछ बोलने से अब रोक देंगे मुझे. आप लोग ट्रंप कर रहे हैं, मैं बोल रहा हूं. लेट मी सिंप्लीफाई दिस. तारिक खान, 1 मिनट. शुड वी हैव इलीगल्स इन इंडिया सर, जो घुस के इधर उधर से आ गए, घुसपैठिए जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में, हमको उनका समर्थन करना चाहिए इवन इफ इंडिया एंड इंडियन सफर? ये सवाल
नहीं करना चाहिए. नो,
नहीं करना चाहिए, ये तो सवाल. आप पता नहीं कहां चले गए. संजू वर्मा.
प्रणेश, इनफैक्ट टुडे आई थिंक आई नीड टू प्ले द विक्टिम कार्ड, क्योंकि जब भी मैंने कोई अच्छे पॉइंट्स बोलने की कोशिश की, आपने मेरे को रोक दिया. बट आई विल नॉट प्ले द विक्टिम कार्ड, क्योंकि यहाँ विक्टिम कार्ड खेलने वाले बहुत सारे लोग मौजूद हैं फ्रॉम द अदर साइड. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, लेट्स गेट दिस वेरी क्लियर. सैम पिट्रोडा इज अ लूज कैनन. डू यू रिकॉल 1984 सिख जेनोसाइड को लेकर जब सैम पिट्रोडा से पूछा गया था 2019 में, ही सेड हुआ तो हुआ. Then Sam Petroda says West Indians look like Arabs, East Indians look like Chinese, South Indians look like Africans, and North Indians look like whites. So this is a man who has this habit of putting his long foot into his mouth. But the most important point is this. People who say that India should have open borders, इनको जरा पूछिए एक बार that CAA के तहत should we give citizenship to persecuted Hindus, Sikhs, Christians, Jains, Buddhists from Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan? These people will stand up and say नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. But in the same way, if you ask them, क्या रोहिंग्यास को और बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों को हमको शेल्टर देना चाहिए, उनको शरणार्थी स्टेटस देना चाहिए, रिफ्यूजी स्टेटस देना चाहिए, they will say जरूर. So their hypocrisy is out there in the public domain. But the most important point is this. I want to just end by saying one thing. I was not given an opportunity last time. To Ravi Srivastav, please note this. The Aam Aadmi Party is in power in Punjab, and Amit Shah on the floor of the parliament last year said that more than 75% of drug cases originate from Punjab, more than 21% of drug-related deaths happen in Punjab, and more than 18% of deaths related to female drug abusers also happen from Punjab.
You
and
think he doesn't know that? Sanju Verma, you think Ravi Srivastav doesn't know that? He's a well-read man, but he has his own constituency to appease. वो इसीलिए बोलते हैं. Dr. Ranganathan, I'll save you for the last. Karan, ये humanitarian ethos, humane condition, and I don't know, पता नहीं क्या क्या बोल दिया इन्होंने. हुआ तो हुआ, कहा तो कहा, किया तो किया. रवि श्रीवास्तव बोल रहे थे you know, that the Congress party took a stand against Sam Pitroda. Kya stand tha? He was reinstated.
No, Pranesh, I think we should not be surprised. Congress, if you remember, during the Jharkhand elections, it was Ghulam Ahmad Mir who was in charge of Jharkhand elections. He said it on record, gas cylinder for those whether they are legal or even if they are illegal. और झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा के जो स्पोक्स पर्सन थे मनोज पांडे, उन्होंने कहा बिल्कुल, आई कंप्लीटली बैक दिस. तो एज अ पॉलिसी दे सेड इट ड्यूरिंग द इलेक्शंस. वी हैड अ डिबेट ऑन योर शो इफ यू रिमेंबर कि भाई दे आर ऑल फॉर बेनिफिट्स टू इलीगल्स. So whether it's Amanatullah who laid down there and said yes, 10,000 rupees and ration for Rohingyas, they are all for open borders. They don't stand for anything related to law and order. आप मदरसा रेगुलराइज करने जाओ, they will play a victim. आपको illegal land assault कर रखी है, they will play a victim. This is this perennial victim card they want to play this. They are anarchists. They want to break the social fabric. They are against law and order. It is not immigrants. It is illegal immigrants. बार बार बोला करिए हम illegal के साथ है. डंके की चोट पे वैसे बोल चुके हैं झारखंड में. So we should not be surprised.
Humanitarian ethos. Dr. Ranganathan, अब इसका क्या करेंगे?
You know, there is a scene in Lagan where Elizabeth Memsab asks Ramlal, please explain it to me. And Ramlal, you know, thumbs his thighs and said, Memsab, ye main nahi kar paunga. So the first half an hour of the debate, Pranesh, I tried very hard to rationalize the irrationale of Congress. Now you bring it again for the second debate, to Pranesh, ye main nahi kar paunga. But be that as it may, you look at the Congress when out of power and you look at the Congress when in power. Pranesh, it is chalk and cheese. Because let me remind my good friend Lokesh and Ravi ji and Tariq Saab, it was the Congress that implemented the NRC. It was the Congress Home Minister who said the day is not very far when Assam will have a Bangladeshi Chief Minister. It was the Congress Shashi Tharoor that said, alluded to Bangladeshis, illegal immigrants being termites, not Amit Shah first. He said they have 20 million have escaped into the Indian woodwork. तो जब आउट ऑफ पावर होते हैं कुछ और बोलते हैं, जब इन पावर होते हैं कुछ और करते हैं. ना सर, ना पैर, ना लॉजिक, ना रैशनल. अरे भाई इसीलिए तो बीजेपी जीतती जा रही है. कोई ऐसा ऑपोजिशन आ जाए, तारिक साहब जरा घड़ी देख के बताइए कि मोदी कब हारेंगे. 15-20 साल बाद तो योगी आ जाएंगे, 3-4 बाद क्या होगा आपका? घड़ी की जगह घंटाल लगाएंगे क्या?
तारिक भाई बोलिए.
साहब, जब रंगनाथन साहब का दिल बदलेगा और रंगनाथन साहब के दिल में ये आएगा कि गरीबों को की बात भी सुनी जाए, तब मोदी साहब चले जाएंगे. अब इससे और बेहतर क्या कहा जा सकता है?
ठीक है. लोकेश जिंदल, expound on this, you know, the wonderful humanitarian ethos, ये narrative जो नया शुरू किया है, इस पे बता दीजिए. Make him the general secretary of the Congress party. If you think this is, you know, such a great thing that Sam Pitroda has said, all of you should be tweeting.
Pranesh, what we saw happening in Gaza, South Sudan, what happens in the globe around, whether it's South Asia, whether it is West Asia, Afro-Asia, Central America, Southern America, what we see over there is a complete disregard by the media, by the mainstream towards those who are suffering socially and economically. What Sam Pitroda stated was that with development, there are certain people who bear the brunt as collateral damage. It's very important that organizations like United Nations, rather even responsible states like United States, others, they must take the prerogative.
Lokesh, you know, are you forgetting that India is the first country that puts its hands up whenever there is a, you know, economic or humanitarian crisis? हम बेचते हैं पानी, खाना, medicine सब, और फिर आप उसका मजाक उड़ाते हैं. It happened in COVID, but this is a different issue. Sanju Verma.
You know, Pranesh, I want to focus on one very important thing, because I think in debates, this is not about playing to the gallery and gaining brownie points. Please don't forget that Sam Pitroda said Modi has done nothing towards achieving climate goals, and Sam Pitroda's bluff needs to be called out. You know, we actually achieved our climate goals 3 years ahead of target. We are today producing 37% of our energy through non-fossil fuels. The solar energy production was limited to 2.6 gigawatts. It has risen by more than 37 times to over 98 gigawatts. We are the world's second largest solar energy producer, the world's third largest wind energy producer, the world's fourth largest renewable energy producer. So Sam Pitroda Sahab, Narendra Modi and France brought together 121 countries in 2015 as part of the International Solar Alliance. And it is said that if we go at the current rate, we will have 500 gigawatts of solar energy by 2030. And we will be the only country to do so. So I think Sam Pitroda has this habit of shooting off from the hip without having facts at his disposal.
No, that's okay. Sam Pitroda can say anything, but the Congress allows him to do so. Dr. Ranganathan, what would you tell Ravi Srivastava? He's still in, disbelief. उनको लगता है कुछ गलत नहीं बोला, सब सही है.
नहीं, देखिए रवि जी की मैं बहुत इज्जत करता हूं और रवि श्रीवास्तव जी का भले ही शेयर से सरनेम विद विवेक श्रीवास्तव, बट रवि जी इज अ वेरी रैशनल पर्सन. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज आई वुड हैव एक्सपेक्टेड रवि जी टू सपोर्ट द प्रताड़ित जो हिंदू हैं पाकिस्तान से, बांग्लादेश से, स्पेशली अभी वो उनके लिए हम अपने दरवाजे खोले. रोहिंग्यास के लिए दरवाजे खोल के 40,000 रोहिंग्यास आ गए यहाँ पे. जम्मू में सेटल हो गए 6,000 रोहिंग्या. बताइए,
Let's give him the last word. Let's give him the last word. It's a direct question.
को भी लाइए, ज्यूज को भी लाइए, क्रिश्चियंस को भी लाइए, सबको लेके आइए, मुस्लिम्स को भी लेके आइए.
वो क्रिश्चियंस तो है
भाई,
वो क्रिश्चियंस है, उसमें परसिक्यूटेड माइनॉरिटीज में है. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी देखिए, अब आपने जो बोला वो ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है, वो ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है. अब मैं क्या बोलूं सर, वी रन आउट ऑफ टाइम अनफॉर्चुनेटली. तारिक भाई, आपने बताया नहीं घड़ी देख के कि शो का समय खत्म हो गया है. आई वॉज बैंकिंग ऑन यू. आपने पहले ही देख लिया, बात का बताया नहीं. अब मुझे वो प्रोडक्शन कंट्रोल रूम से बोल रहे हैं. चलिए, लेट्स एंड इट हियर. व्यूअर्स, द न्यूज आर ऑन द अदर साइड.